Hello, here is a great way to fill in your income tax information for your AdSense account. If you are a YouTuber and you do not have income registration in India, this is an easy way to submit your income tax form. You can find a new notification appear in your account, click on the Manage Tax Info option, and you will see a window similar to this one. Click on the Add Tax Info button here. It will redirect to sign in page. Let's sign in again. After that, at the beginning of the registration form, it asks what the account type is. Here I choose the individual option. If you are an individual user, you can also check this one. Next, we ask about citizenship. Since we are not US citizens, we can give no. After that, we need to create a W-8 tax form in which we can choose the first option. Let's give the next one. Then you have to add personal details. You can add the first name. This is the full name you entered in the AdSense account. After that, you will see a section called DBA, where you can enter your business name, that is, your YouTube account name. Or, if you are doing any kind of business, you can enter that business name. But since it is optional, it does not have to be given to a business that usually does not have any proof. I do not give that option here, because I don't have any income proof to show with my YouTube name. After that, select our country detail. Then there you can see a foreign TIN number section. If you have any TIN number, you can use it here. Otherwise, use your PAN card number. And there is no need to add anything else to this section. Give the next option. Here you can give permanent address details. If the same address is used for mailing, both will be set as an address once the checkbox above it is enabled. Now enter next and come to the section on tax treaty. Are you claiming a reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? You can give yes. Then choose your country which claim treaty with the US. Select our country as India. Now we have to specify special rate conditions for tax treaty. Check one by one, and select the given article. Then choose withholding rate. Be sure to set the option that allows the lowest rate. Then enable checkbox of additional option that given for is a reason. Now when you enter next, you will see a preview of the article document. After confirming the checkbox here, enter next. Our certification details can be found here. And then we can give our signature, in which we can give our full name as signature. The next option to consider, if you are creating this for your own account, then select, yes, I am the person listed in this signature. Give it next after that. Here, the question is whether there is any activity or service with Google or the US. Let us give no in it. Also enable the checkbox below it. Now here's the main thing you need to pay attention to. Are you providing tax info for a new or existing payment profile that hasn't received payment, or an existing payment profile that has previously received payment? The second option can be enabled here if you have given the same details as before. Even if there are some minor fixes, we have to select the second option and go into detail about that correction. For example, if the name given by the bank details and the name of the person receiving the money are different, it should be written here in detail. Finally, submit. After refresh, you can see your application accepted report. That's it, and wait for confirmation.